Inspirators. In today's video, we'll be decorating my entryway, my reading nook, and also my dining room table. We also have 3 DIYs that I'll be sharing with you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. The first DIY I'll be doing are these lanterns on the table. I'll be transforming them into fall decor pieces. I'll start with these picks that I have on the table. I got all these picks from Hobby Lobby. That dough bowl came from, I don't remember where I got that dough bowl from. Actually, I'll leave in the comments if I do. The filler and those leaves came from Michael in a pack together. The white picks in the back came from Pottery Barn Kids. Those are the one I told you shed a whole lot, and you'll see it later on this video. The other flowers on the table, both of those came from Michael's this year. And also got these candles from Amazon. This black vase in the back came from Target probably 2 or 3 years ago. And that green vase came from Target as well. So let's start into our DIY. The first thing I'm going to do is just place these 3 candles, 3 different sizes, and kind of like a triangle form that I got from Amazon into this lantern. I already placed batteries inside of the lanterns and I turned them on so I can just hit the remote to bring them on once I get everything in. I'm going to go around the candles with that filler that I showed you earlier that I got from Michael's. So I'll do that and also put some of those leaves in there as well. Now that the inside is done, I'm going to go on top and I'm going to use one of these picks that I had on the table from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to take that and wrap it around that little hole they have in the back just to bring some decor to the top so it won't look so empty at the top. And this is going to be my statement piece on top of this lantern. And there you go, the finished look. I will still play around with the top just a little bit to get it exactly where I want it. Later on the video, you'll see that. And I also went ahead and did the other one. I didn't do it on camera because it's basically the same thing. I just put the pick on the other side of that one to help it to wrap around. The next thing I'm going to do is move on to the dough bowl. I'm just going to use some of these picks that I got from Hobby Lobby to layer them in this dough bowl. You do not have to do it this way. You can use other items, but it's a quick and easy way and a cheaper way to get some decor and to fill a space in your home. I'm not going to talk much doing this part of it because it's kind of like self-explanatory. You'll see that I'm just layering the picks into the dough bowl and I'm just filling it to the way that I think I like it. Like I said, you can do it anyway. And one thing great about it, you can always take everything out and start over to get that look that you want. I don't know what happened to the footage before this when I was actually putting this flower together and showing you how much that white pitch shed. You can see it on the table there. I don't like it where it's right there, so I played around with it some more, but all that footage is gone as well. But let's get into your favorite part of this video. Let's start decorating. On this table, you'll see all the items that I'm going to use today to decorate it, even the things that I made and the things that that I already had purchased before. So I won't go over everything on the table, but what I will do, I'll tell you where items came from as I'm decorating. So enjoy. So I'm going to start in my entryway, and this right here is actually a shoe chest because I didn't like the way all the shoes was being left at the front door. So I got this off of Wayfair to put my shoes in. I just cleaned it off at first. I'm using these two vases, the small and the large vase that I got from Target. I'm going to place one on both corners of this table. I'm also going to use these picks that I got from Target probably like 3 years ago. Either 2 or 3 years ago, but I did purchase them from Target. Next, I'm going to place this dough bowl that I DIY'd with you guys earlier right here in the center just to bring some of the color down to contrast that. And I'm also going to place hand sanitizer that I got from Grove, and it smells like oranges. It smells so good right here in this corner. Next, I'm moving on to this basket at our front door. We use this basket to store socks and house shoes for our guests because we don't wear shoes in our house and we want them to still feel comfortable. So we have socks and house shoes there for them. I got this blanket from Target Dollar Spot this year. I also got that pillow there as well this year. It says, "Hey there, pumpkin." I'm also going to use the orange pillow that I got probably 3 years ago from Target Dollar Spot just to break up some of that white right there. Next, moving on to the other side, I'm going to use these risers that I got from Hobby Lobby this year. And I'm going to use that to actually place the lanterns that we created for fall on there. I'm putting the first one right here just to give it a little height so it won't look so even. And then I will take the other lantern and put it right beside it. By going back and watch this video to edit it, I did realize I don't like that second riser on top, so I did remove that one and just left the one at the bottom. Now moving over here to my reading nook over here in this corner, I'm just going to wipe everything down with Acorn Mrs. Myers spray. And after that, I'm going to just start decorating. First thing I'm going to do is place this buffalo plaid blanket right here. And I'm putting the buffalo plaid to try to pull into the black that I have over here, like the buffalo plaid rug and that black table that I have in front. I'm also going to place this green pillow right here. This pillow, I got it from Amazon. It came in a set of 2. And I'm also going to place this pumpkin pillow right here that I got from Pier 1 several years ago. Then I'm going to take another pumpkin pillow that I also got from Pier 1, and I'm going to put it in the other chair just to tie those two sides together. To style the shelves that I have over here, I have 4 books, and these books are currently books that I'm using or that I'll read next. I have 1 devotional book that I use every morning, and I also have 2 books about fasting and praying and 1 book about Christian life. I'm going to use these 2 squirrels that I got from Target probably 2 years ago to be my bookends, just something simple to hold the books together. And then I'll place on this bottom shelf, I'm just going to put that green vase you saw earlier with some flowers that I got from Michael's. I'm going to keep this table very simple because we use it every day. I'm just going to put this orange scarf that we got from Target Dollar Spot probably 2 to 3 years ago. It was only $5. I'm going to use that black vase with the flowers in it to go in the center. I'm also going to use 2 candelabras that I got from Target this year. And in those candelabras, I'm placing the smaller candles that I got from Hobby Lobby inside of that. And that's going to be the complete look for this table. As I look at my table, I do like it, but I'm not in love with it. So this is one of the areas when you see another video, when I add more pumpkins into my decor, maybe something on here will change. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.